Here's something worth knowing about the agent team you just built. It can label a total guess assumed and hand it off anyway. That's not a flaw you added. It's what the Bootstrap prompt actually wrote, and Video 14's own test already proved it. Today we fix one role for real. This is business-needs-analyst.md, exactly as Video 14's Bootstrap prompt generated it. It reads the input, names a buyer, names a pain, and tags both assumed or evidenced. Notice what's missing. Nothing tells it when to stop. There's no condition anywhere that says don't hand this off. Try it with an input that has nothing real in it, no product, no research, no experience, just an idea. Watch what happens. It names a buyer, names a pain, tags both assumed, and hands off like it solved something. Zero real signal, and it answered with total confidence. The fix isn't more prose, it's a real stop condition. Add rejection criteria directly to the file, refuse to hand off when no buyer can be named without inventing one, or when everything's tagged assumed with zero real anchor anywhere in the input. And instead of the usual output, it returns exactly what's missing. Run the exact same input again. Nothing changed about the dog toy idea, only the instructions. This time it refuses. No invented buyer, no invented pain. Just a rejection that names exactly what's missing before this can move forward. That's the whole pattern, and it applies to every role in your team. A defined input, one bounded task, an evidence rule, a concrete output format, and the piece that was missing, rejection criteria that actually stop a bad handoff. One role is done. The other 5 always present roles in your team, positioning, market validation, monetization, implementation, and quality and decision review, still only have the Bootstrap's original instructions. Same checklist, same method, run each one with a genuinely bad input, watch it answer anyway, then give it a real reason to say no. To be clear about what this proves, one role's instructions now correctly refuse a bad input instead of guessing, and the same input is on record from before and after, so the change is provable, not just claimed. This doesn't touch how roles pass work to each other, and it doesn't score evidence yet. Those are the next 2 videos in this series. For now, pick your weakest role, feed it your worst input, and see if it says yes when it should say no.